awake? Barely. You didn't want to get out of bed, did you? No. Yeah, we're going to the regular and the regulars, the 2 regulars, and then we're going to one that we haven't been to in a while, actually, in Leek. So that should be fun. We've got the energy. If I do really well at these other 2, I can't be bothered going to Leek. But if I do shite, you'll know why I'm going to Leek. It's a lovely day for the boot, isn't it? I've never seen it so busy. Look where we're parked. We're parked all the way down at the bottom. How much? £5.
Animal food.
How much for what? Oh, the car. Oh,
Smashing, thank you.
Wonderful, cheers, man.
I want it. Yeah, tenner for the.
Oh, you don't want them all?
Yeah, might as well. That's. Carboot number 2.
I've only got 4 tyres, so it's going to get to 10 baskets of 10, so
Just 10? Just 10?
just 2-1 today.
Shoes in the bag, £2. All the clothes 50 on the floor. £2, please. Clothes on the floor, 50p.
So I'm at Carboot number 2, and it's a bit of a dud. I've managed to get some Nikes, Air Force Ones for £2, so that's not too bad. So I'm just waiting now to be picked up. Head off to number. Okie dokie. A bit old school this. I'm just going to do a quick haul from the Carboot. Not a lot this week, but I got some Nike Air Force Ones. Yes, those were £2. I got this. This was surprising. This was £1. It's a yokai watch. This basically was a bit of a bum find. I forgot he's meant to have like a thing on his back. It's a killer art from the year 2000, if you can see that. Into the year, there you go, 2000. Robo Wars, not very good. I got an army. I got a herd of My Little Ponies. Now all of these cost basically like a £5. And yeah, they range in different like years. Like, so this one's from like 2002, this one's from like 2003, and these ones are all from like 97. These ones, so these ones are the vintage ones. This is the one that's worth the most. I need to like clean it up a bit, and I'm gonna try and see it, because you when to press that and it lights up, but if you look, it's lost its diamond eyes, which is kind of annoying. Like, this one has diamond eyes. That's what it's supposed to look like. There you go. So I might just bundle them all up. And I got these ones. These ones are the newer ones, so like from 2011. I know that one's Luna, that Princess Luna one. I've forgotten which that one is. Yeah, so anyway, I'll think of something with them. But that's okay for a £5, basically. I got Timmy Time for £1. I need to see if he works. Timmy Time stuff weirdly does pretty well. Also, Bag Puss. It's the microwave one, so you microwave him and he's like a heater, but it's his 50th anniversary this year, so you never know. I got these for £1, these Grinch slippers, because it's coming up to Christmas, obviously. They're like B&M specials, but I don't care. This one's good. This one does work. Hang on. Yeah. So basically it does work once you kind of like sort him out. But yeah, he's trying to chase after the nuts, so you need to have the nuts. This is from 2005. It's from Ice Age The Meltdown. And yes, I got him for £2. But yeah, I got this, the same person who was dealing in the ponies actually. And I said, oh, how much for like all of it? And he just said a tenner, because he said a £5 for them at first. And I thought, oh, how much is that? And he said £5 as well. And I was like, all right, okay, well, here's a tenner. He was like, yeah. So yeah, this is the the party light, Tiffany style, tea light thing, candle holder. And yeah, £5 into £39.99, which is pretty good. Okay, so I got these for 50p each, and yeah, they had yes, these are lights, buddy, Christmas lights, vintage. These are from 1992. Need to check them. Okay, let's just see if these lights work. Yay! Got these gorgeous glass teardrop, not teardrop, like icicle bauble things. Look, 1992. Yes. I got these Traditions ones. They're like cones, aren't they? But lots. I think they are fine. They're just very kind of like worn down over years. But yes, Germany. Some more German ones. These are glass ones, and those are a bit of a mixture of glass ones. So there's a good mix there. I just thought, getting into the, I saw them, they were 50p each, bargain. I just thought, why not? Editing me, and I've just started filming, and look at the state of the weather. Oh my God. Yeah, so not a lot from that carboot, from those carboots. Like I've been saying, like for the past summer, I've not been relying so much on car boots, but for some reason I've been very picky about what I pick up, and it never used to be like that. I mean, I've noticed like a lot of the stuff, like people know what they've got, but yeah, I think gone are the days where I come back with literally a car boot full from the car boot. So I don't know, I think I might need to think about which car boots I go to. Maybe I might start spreading out a bit more. I've got like quite a lot round near me. I've got like, choice wise, I've got like 7, 5, 6, 7. It depends on the time of year, but I've got 3 or 4 ones that run pretty much all year round. So yeah, it's just, I don't know whether it's like I'm not getting there early enough. I'm not finding the bits. I've got the knowledge, I just need the look. I think I needed a bit more look. I get like good stuff, don't get me wrong. Like the other week I got some really good stuff, and like this week has got some okay stuff. But yeah, I want to get really, really good bangers. Like I see people going out there and they're picking up amazing stuff, but then when you realise, they got there for 5, or you know, they're willing to pay up on certain things, and I'm like, no. Yeah, so I don't know, I might need to rethink my strategy, but yeah, I don't know what I'm gonna do without this weather. Blimey, not good, is it? Anyway, gotta go, but thanks for watching. yeah, you know what to do, and I'll see you all next time. Bye.